What happens when a celebrity's daily routine meets an unforeseen disaster? One sunny afternoon, actor Ryan Taylor found himself in a not-so-glamorous position. A hairpin turn turned into a hair-raising hiccup. As he took the corner, a gust of wind blew his favorite hat onto the dashboard, distracting him just enough to miss the stop sign. The result? A gentle tap with a parked car and an audience of fans erupting into laughter. Instead of sulking, Ryan stepped out with his trademark smile, turning the awkward moment into a chance for fan selfies and spontaneous laughter. This incident became a charming reminder that even stars are human, bonding over unexpected misadventures on the road.